Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve here with Rake and Profit. In this video, I'm going to be rolling a clip from a conversation that I had when I was with Jason and Karen of the Thrifty Flamingo YouTube channel while I was at their house a couple days ago. And we're going to be talking about how you can take your sales to the next level by cross-posting your eBay items onto Poshmark. So you're really going to enjoy this clip. There's a lot of value in this conversation that we were having. And I want to let you guys know before we roll this next video, we actually ended up shooting a whole entire 6-day, yeah, you heard it right, a 6-day free, 100% free Poshmark workshop. So I'm actually just in the midst of editing up the videos and they're going to be released soon. So if you guys want to check out that free workshop, which I know you're going to love, you can actually go to the link down below. It's the first link in the description, or just go over to rakeandprofit.com/Poshmark. Put in your name and email, and when that is available, I'll send you over the video. And every day you're going to get a video for about 6 days, and we cover inventory management. We do a full entire house tour of their Poshmark business. We talk about shipping. We talk about what sells. There's like a lot of really awesome information. So before the next clip, be sure to go down below and sign up for that right now. It's 100% free. But without further ado, I'm going to pass the mic over to Karen and Jason of the Thrifty Flamingo YouTube channel, and we're going to talk about how cross-posting to Poshmark can help to explode your sales and make you some more money. So let's get into it. What are you doing right now?
I am deleting something off of, it's cross-listed and it's sold on one platform, and I'm deleting off the other platform, and so I don't have to double sell one item.
Do you guys cross-list everything?
Not everything. We'll cross-list certain things. Certain things do well on eBay, and we like to get double exposure on those things, but not everything goes up on eBay.
Yeah.
Designer stuff, we're pretty much going to focus on Poshmark for because we get top dollar there for it. But men's stuff, most all men's stuff will cross-list on eBay and Poshmark because Poshmark just doesn't have the biggest man following yet. It's getting there. So we'll make sales with the men's closet, but they're not as steady as they would be on eBay. So...
like, I just sold LuLaRoe leggings on eBay because everyone's like, oh, unicorn print. They were flying pigs, like when pigs fly. And so I put them on both sides because I was like, I need to get the maximum exposure for these because who doesn't want flying pigs? Hey, this is perfect. I'll go pull
flying pigs. When pigs fly, you can't beat those leggings, right?
Pigs fly.
So you just sold something on eBay.
On eBay.
So you went to Poshmark.
And I deleted it. Deleted the list.
So you've got to do it immediately. So if people are watching right now and they sell something on one of the platforms and it's cross-listed, immediately.
I do, because I'm like, you know, I don't want to, because if it does sell on both platforms, somebody's going to have to get that message. I'm so sorry I can't complete the order. I have to cancel the transaction. I have to make the decision on who not to ship the leggings to because I sold to 2 people. And that's just bad business in my eyes. Like, so I make it a point to like, oh, this sold, and like it's always on our phone. We always have our phones or iPad or something. And communication too. You know, if I can't, I just say, hey, and I either text him, tell him, and he'll delete what needs to be deleted.
Rid of it, yeah.
Yeah, so we're a good team like that, but I don't ever want to sell. I guess it could happen within, like, how long did that take me? Like a minute?
Yeah, not even a minute.
Yeah, I was like, oh, it's sold. I gotta go delete it.
Those sold for really good profit too. I think we got those for like $4.99, and we sold them for $42. So that's a killer profit on those leggings.
$42. I'll show you.
Let's show them.
Show them. Oh, it's not scrolling up. There you go. Don't look at their information. $42. Flying pigs. One pig.
I love the background too. It's super nice.
It's a white. That's what we were just shooting, the white rug. I know a lot of people do the white rug. I like it. It's the white really helps the true colors of the clothing show through instead of like another color.
Yeah.
You know, the only time I ever change the background is if it's a white item.
Right. You know? One thing that I'm really curious about is when you guys actually list your item on Poshmark, are you immediately going over to eBay and listing it, or
with the items we cross-list, she'll take because eBay pictures and Poshmark pictures are a little different, so she'll take her Poshmark pictures first, and then she'll take a cover shot for eBay.
It's just the cover shot,
and we'll use the rest of the main pictures, but just the cover shot is different, and then we'll post on Poshmark first, and then we'll cross-list to eBay. And we usually do our eBay listings after the the Posh Party. So we'll do them at around midnight, and we'll list on eBay then, and they'll go live for the next day. So that's how we basically work it. We'll post on Poshmark during the party, and we'll post on eBay after the party. So there's a good 2 or 3 hours in between cross-listing.
No, the good other easy thing about it is we type our descriptions instead of like opening up the Poshmark app and typing it in the description field. We just use on my iPad. I use the notes on the computer. We just open up notes too, and so we can airdrop it to ourselves. So it's all just copying and pasting. You know, it's not just typing out in the app. It's already on a computer somewhere, so it's literally copying and pasting. Yeah, so it's pretty easy when we do decide to cross list whatever it is. Yeah.
So go out there, guys. If you're listing on eBay or Poshmark or vice versa, always cross promote.
Always cross promote. You get double the exposure and you get double the sales.
That's it. Go out there.
Who doesn't want sales?
Hold on, let's zoom in. Look at that. Does your cat ever jump off of that onto the packages?
Oh, no, that no. I thought you might jump onto that. But yeah, you see it's all clawed up.